Good everyone, my name is Graphics. If you look at the front of your screen, there's a problem in limits which we are told to find the limit of x tends to 9, 3 minus root x all over x minus 9. Now, if you look at this kind of problem, we say we look for x tends to 9. What you should pay attention to is that there's a root sign, means that what? We are going to what? Apply the method of what? Rationalization of surds. So the first thing you have to do, you have to multiply the top and the bottom by the conjugate of what? 3 minus root x. So what I mean top and bottom, the top here of the division sign here is, we'll call it the numerator, and that is 3 minus root x. While the bottom here, that is below the division sign, is called the denominator. So we are going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of 3 minus root x. So what is the conjugate of 3 minus root x? That is 3 plus root x. So this is what you're going to have. So the lim of x tends to 9, 3 minus root x divided by what? X minus 9. So you're going to now multiply it with what? 3 plus root x all over 3 plus root x. Right? So this is what we're having here. Now, if you write this, you'll be having the lim of x tends to 9, 3 minus root x in bracket, multiplied by 3 plus root x in bracket, all divided by x minus 9 in bracket, multiplied by 3 plus root x in bracket. Now, if you look at the top here, which I mean, look at the numerator, you realize that both of the value in the bracket are the same. But what differentiates them is the sign. One of them has negative and one of them has positive. So that is what? Difference of 2 square. So instead of you wasting time, start multiplying one after the other. You just take the one that has negative and you square both of them, just like this. So you'll be having lim x tends to 9, 3 square minus root x all square, all divided by x minus 9 in bracket, multiplied by 3 plus root x in bracket, right? So this is what we have here. Now, if you look at the numerator, that is the top of what we have there, we'll be having 3 square, the lim of x tends to 9 will now be 3 square is 9, root s square, the square will cancel the root, we are left with what? With x, all divided by x minus 9 in bracket, multiplied by 3 plus root x in bracket, right? So now, if you notice, the numerator here, the top here, is 9 minus x, and the denominator has s minus 9. They cannot equate each other because they are not the same. So what will you do? You have to what? Manipulate the numerator, that is the 9 minus x, so that it will be able to conform with what you have in the denominator, which is s minus 9. What will you do? If I change the sign, if I change the position, if I allow s come before 9 and I want it to be s minus 9, I am going to bring a minus sign out. So I'm going to be having x into bracket x minus 9. And you'll be wondering, how come? Now let's see. If I have minus in brackets x minus 9, right? If I expand this, minus times s will give you minus x, minus times minus 9 will give you what? Plus 9. So this is minus x plus 9. If I rearrange it, it will be what? 9 minus x. You can see? So 9 minus x is the same as saying minus into bracket s minus 9. So when you do that, now it has now conformed with what we have in the denominator. So x minus 9 here 1, cancel the 1 here, we have 1 also. So at the long run, minus times 1 will give you minus 1, all divided by what? 3 plus root x. So we have the lim of x tends to 9 minus 1 all over 3 plus root x, right? Now let's now input our value. Our value of x is 9. So anyway, you see 9x in this expression, you're going to put 9. So we have minus 1 all over 3 plus, instead of putting x, you put what? Root 9. So when you do that, minus 1 will now be divided by 3 plus the root of 9 is 3, and this will give us minus 1 all over what? Over 6. So this is what we have here. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so you always get updates on whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.